Hi viewers, welcome to the new video NCERT Math Magic 4 Chapter 11 Part 3 Tables and Shares. So in this chapter we are going to learn about new things apart from what we have learned in Part 1 and Part 2. So before going into the details, so let me tell you how to subscribe to my channel. So there is a red button on this below this video. Click on that red button, then you will be subscribed to my channel, and then you need not do this again and again. Next time when you come here, if you want to get a notification from my channel, then you have to click the bell button also along with subscribe button. So earlier you have clicked only subscribe button, so bell button is not yet clicked. So this time you have to click that bell button, so you will be getting continuous updates from my channel. So if you like my video, click on the like button. If you like my video, you have to share it to your friends. So with this introduction, let us switch to the system. So as I told you that this is from Math Magic NCERT Math Magic 4 Tables and Shares. It's a part 3. It will be lived or it will be premiered tonight at either 9 p.m. or 7 p.m. depending upon the time of this video recording. Now it's the chapter name is given here, Tables and Shares. It's very clear, and then whatever I said is also mentioned here. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and then like. And my name is also mentioned on the screen. Okay, my name is Hanumanlu. So I have created this channel in 2019. Okay, so on the screen you can see there are few images which are telling about the things which you are going to learn in this current video. Okay, so why to waste time? So let us proceed with the first slide. So the first slide is about the continuation of the previous one. In the previous one we have seen grandfather distributed 70 rupees equally among 5 members in such a way that there should not be anything left. Okay, so 70 divided by 5 we got 14. Okay, so like that we have seen so many alternate methods, and finally we are here doing this. Okay, so in order to try doing this, so what we are supposed to do is we have to remove this side portion. Okay, so this side portion of this PPT, and then we will be using it for a rough work, because we are done with this side portion. Complete this side portion is over. So let us go with the other side. This, try to do this only this thing is left. So let me go back, go to that part. Okay, so for solving a bit, so I have used this space in the page, whatever the page that is there here. I have used the a bit to solve here. So you can see here I solved this in such a way that he has given 5 something like this and 65. Okay, so that means we have to follow this method only. So 5 tens of 50, I know 5 tens of 50, so which is very near to 60, 65 something like that. So 5 tens of 50 I wrote, then I have subtracted, I got 15. Okay, so then after that I took 3, 5 into 3, 15, I got 0. So answer is 10 plus 3, that is equal to 13. So it's very simple. 13 5 ja what you can say 65. Everybody knows about that. Okay, that you can solve it like this. Alright, so now we will go with B bit. So B bit is 84 divided by 12. So evenly mentioned, we have to go for traditional method. So I followed 84, and then I took brackets on both sides, and then 2. It is here the divisor is 2, dividend is 84, and the quotient we got as 42, and then remainder as 0. Okay, so this is a traditional method of doing the division, right? So what is the answer here? Directly this, whatever we got it here, is the answer. Okay, so that's why he wrote 42 is the answer. Now C bit. So in the question number 3, in the question number C, he gave 3 divided by 69, but we have to follow the method which is given in the textbook. So for that, what did I choose here? First I wrote 20 because I would like to go up to nearest to the 60. So I know 3 into 20 is 60. So then I got minus 60, and then I got 9 here, then plus 3 times. Okay, 3 into 3 times, so 9. So answer is 0. So 20 plus 3, that is equal to 23 is the answer here. Okay, so like that you have to calculate the answer for each bit. And coming to the next d bit also same. It is they are suggesting to go for traditional method. You can see it here. Okay, so what did I do is 90 I took inside, and then I took 6, and I got 15 is the answer. How did I get 15 is the answer? 6 1 is 6. Okay, after subtracting we will get 3 here, and this 0 will come here. The next time 6 5 is 30, it will become 0. Okay, so like that answer is 15 as it is. Next e bit is this is 72 divided by 4, but we have to follow the method which is given in the textbook. So what did I choose here is, I know 4 into 10 is 40, so then left out item is 32. I know 4 8 is 32, so 4 8 is 32, I got a 0 here. So 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Now we will move to the f bit. So f bit is 108 divided by 9. We have to follow traditional method. So 9 10 is 90 I took, and then I got 18. We have to follow the method which is given in the textbook. So I have taken 9 10, I know only 9 10, ninth table I know only up to 9 10 times. So I got 90, and then left out the item from this is 18. I know what is 9 2 is 18. So answer is 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, so if you want, you can calculate as suggested in the textbook in previous part. 12 into 9 will become exactly is equal to 108. Okay, so if you want, you can try that. Next is g bit, 232 divided by 2. So I will be following my traditional method because it didn't ask us to go for the new method which is given in the textbook. So 2 1 is 2, 0 here, 3 will come next time, and then 2 1 is 2 again, 1 here. Okay, the next 6 times, 2 will come here 6 times, 2 6 is 12, so I got a 0 there. So answer is 116. And the last bit is 428 divided by 2, but we have to follow the method which is given in the textbook. So 2 I took in such a way that I know 2 2 is 4. Okay, I know 2 1 is 2. I know 0 here. Okay, 2 1 0. So 2 1 0 into 2 will become 4 2 0. I know how to double the numbers. So 2 2 is 4. 2 is becoming 4 here, 1 is becoming 2 here, and if I multiply something to 0, it will become 0 only. I cannot take 4 directly here itself. Okay, so if I take 4 directly here itself, then it will become a traditional method. Okay, so what did I do is, what I have to do is, I have to go for one approach which is very near to the number, or otherwise you can choose any number. Instead of 210, you can choose some 105. Okay, next time again 105, or next time 4. Okay, so like that you can add 105 plus 105 plus 4, otherwise 105 plus 105 plus 2 plus 2. So that is what we have did in the previous question. But to make it simple here, what did I do here is 428 minus 420, I got 8 as the answer, and then 2 4 is 8, so 0. So 210 plus 4, 214 is the answer. So if you want, you can multiply 214 with 2. As the number is becoming double, you can see 4 2 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. So directly answer is clearly visible to us the number is becoming double. 214 2 times will become 428. So that is about the this try doing this, and I wrote answers for all a bit, b bit, c bit, and then d bit, e, f, g and h. Okay, so as soon as I did here, I put the answers there. I didn't keep the animations here because it is a tedious process for me, so I couldn't do that. Now we will move to the next one. Meera made 204 candles to sell in the market. She makes a packets of 6. How many packets will she make? So what we have to do is, we have to do this 204 divided by 6, which will be 34. Okay. Similarly, you do that here again, 204 by 12. Okay, so that will give you 17. Okay, so how you will get 17 to 12 one time? Okay, so 12 one time, it goes 12, and then 8 will be left here. Then what is 84? 12 into 7 is your 84. Okay, so 17 will be the answer. Okay, so 12 5 ja 60, 12 6 ja 72, 12 7 ja 84. So like that you have to calculate. So whatever the number of packets she want to make, earlier it was she makes a packet of 6, then she got 34 packets. If she make it to 12, then she will be getting half of that. 34 will become half. That is what I am telling. So on sports day, 161 children are in the school playground. They are standing in 7 rows. How many each children are there in each row? How many children are there in each row? So totally you can see here what is this bit is j bit, right? So 7 divided by 161, so you are going to get 23 is the answer. How you will be? 7 to 14, then 2 is the subtraction, 21, 7 3 is 21. Okay, so in each row 23 students will be there. Okay, so in each row there will be 23 students. So if you want, you can calculate 7 into 3, 7 into 23, what will be the answer? It is 7 3 is 21, and 2 7 2 is 14, 15, 16. You can check, this is matching with 161. Okay, so like that you have to verify your answers. Now story problems. So these are the next simple problems. Srishti's grandmother is asking to make problems. Look at the picture and make a question on it. There are 3 crates. Each crate has 24 bottles in it. My question is, how many bottles are there in all? So there are 3 crates, so 24 into 3 is equal to 72. Now you look at the other pictures and make questions like Srishti. So these are the different Rakis which are available here. There are 8 packets of such Rakis. Each packet has 6 Rakis in it. Okay, so tell me, how many are there in all? The question is, how many are there in all? Okay, so how many are there in all? Yeah, answer is you have to tell that 8 into 6 is equal to 48. So there are 10 packets of sugar. These are the 10 packets of sugar. You can see 2 here and 3 plus 5 again. So Surabhi paid 110 rupees for all the packets. Okay. So the question will be, so there are 10 packets of sugar. Surabhi paid 110 rupees for all the packets. then what is the cost of each packet? You have to divide 110 by 10, so you will be getting 11 rupees is the cost of each packet. Of course, we don't know what is the weight and everything of that particular sugar. We are supposed to calculate only the cost of the packet. So there are 35 students in 7 rows. Each row has the same number of students. Your question here is, students in each row is equal to how much? There are 5. Okay, so 7 into 5, it's very clear, it is 35. So as I said, these are all simple. So you can see there are 2 more questions like this. Hari, Seema, Chinku and Lakshmi are going to Guwahati. The cost of one rail ticket is 62. It only tells that what is the total cost. Okay, so what is the total cost for 4 members? What is the total cost of 4 members? That is equal to 4 into 62 rupees, which is nothing but 248. Okay, so 1 meter of cloth cost rupees 20. Lal Bike bought some cloth and paid 140. So what is the total length of the cloth which he bought? Okay, here what is the parameter? 1 meter is costing 20 rupees. 140 will cost how much? Okay, so for this, what the procedure is? What is the procedure is? 140 by 20 into 1 meters. 0 and 0 will get cancelled, and 2 7 times we will be getting 7 meters. 7 meters is the answer. Okay, so 7 meters is the answer. If you want, you can verify your answer by multiplying this 7 meters into 20. 7 meters into 20 rupees, you will be getting 140 rupees. So this is how you have to check your answers. There is a subscribe option asking you for subscription, and then hit the bell icon, and then like my videos, then share them to your friends, and then feel free to contact me. The details are provided in the description below. If you have any doubt, then put them in the comment section below. So don't forget to share this playlist to as many as you want. Okay, as many friends as you have in your class, or as many friends as you have in the other schools who are related to this particular curriculum, NCERT, CBSE, or also state syllabus, any state syllabus. They can also understand what is the thing that is there in the CBSE. Actually, the purpose of me making the CBSE classes in my channel is state syllabus students will come to know what is there in the CBSE. Okay, so they will come to know that what is there in their curriculum and what is there apart from their curriculum. Okay, so you don't forget to share it to your friends who are not only there in your curriculum but also in other curriculums like state syllabus. Okay, so with this note, I would like to take leave, and then we will meet soon in the next video.